about an item and then she really makes me excited about it. And this is the set of 4 snack caddies, and literally made to fit in the palm of your hand. Literally made to have your snacks, your chicken nuggets, whatever, your fries, whatever you're having, or your chips, and then your dipping sauce right here. Look how easy and comfortably this fits in your hand. So while you're watching a movie, or while you're hanging out, or while you're outside eating your apps with your family, you have it all, while you're having your shrimp like that.
Like, look how easy that is.
You have it in the palm of your hand. You even have your dipping sauce.
Eat, right?
And this is beautiful. A whole set of 4 of these. We have colors for you to choose from.
Yes.
Let me take you.
You got it.
Over, and we will pick our favorite color. Here we go. Old World. We've got our black, blue, and confetti. We also have, this is the green, the original green. And we have the set of 4 in the red of the Old World. Floral lace, love this, that it is the color on the outside, and then on the inside you have the white with that same color, but that's the lace design. So this is the set of 4 in the blue floral lace, black floral lace, red floral lace. This is the cranberry floral lace, and also the gray floral lace. We've got the doodle-doos in all 3 colors, the doodle-doo in the red, doodle-doo in the black, and doodle in the gray. And then, okay, only 100 left in the gray.
Oh.
And then over on the end, we have patriotic for you. 300 remain in the patriotic. We have Parfetti. Do we have, oh no, there's the patriotic. Parfetti is sold out. All right. I think I'm just not going to ask anymore about Parfetti. Parfetti is always sold out. You just got to see it
the second you got to buy it the second you see it.
Exactly.
That's the way it works. Listen, this is one of these items that is truly a game changer in your life. I do. I get excited about this item. Why? Because it's a key piece for me now that elevates my entertaining and my everyday. It's really just about dipping, right? So it's now having that beautiful little reservoir in the center, the lip on the side, so anything you have that needs to be dipped now has the just easiest experience. When you want to tuck them away, all 4 of them stacked together. Like, everything about this item makes so much sense. And now it's easy breezy. Look what you did over here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this.
Yeah. So you're great, like French fries and chicken nuggets, and it's great for portion control as well.
Yes, I appreciate that for the portion control too, because now, yeah, you can fill this up and eat it up, and now you're going to be full, and now you're going to know exactly what you had, and it's fabulous. What do you have coming out for me from the oven?
I love this because even though it's mini, it's really, really mighty. So the fact that this can go in the oven up to 500 degrees, pop it in the microwave to reheat, you're going to clean it in the dishwasher. But this is what I'm talking about. This is why I love Temp-tations, because it takes something that I just would have put on an ordinary dinner plate, had to figure out some type of bowl situation, or just put the syrup bottle out, and now all of a sudden I look like I'm coming out of a magazine, right, with little mini waffles, little sausage right there, some fresh fruit. Oh, and by the way, here's my dipping sauce now for my mini waffles. Like, this is how you entertain with ease.
Entertain with ease. Be impressive, right? And say, look at all of the effort that I put in for your family. The effort is always going to be there, right? It's really what's coming from your heart. But to show it when you display and how you serve your friends and family also is a lot of it. And with something like this, it's just so pretty and special, and you're like, oh, this is so cute. It didn't take you any extra effort, but it's actually taking off as well. Now, like you're showing me here, with, well, like we were talking about with the maple syrup, also another great way to do portion control, in the sense of, instead of putting half the bottle of maple syrup, drowning it. In this case, you have it. That's all you really need. And or if you want to refill, you can refill. But it is great for portion control. Look at this.
I love this. Chicken wings,
and
blue cheese. But here, you see it in my hand, right? This is what makes it so easy. My right hand is now free, so I can eat. This is all about entertaining as well as every day. So if you're maybe eating inside of, in the family room or in the living room because you're watching a movie, now you have that great way to do it. You're not pulling out like some clumsy bowls and plates and paper plates. Look how easy this is.
It's super lightweight. It is specifically made to be comfortable in the palm of your hand.
Yes, it is.
And now I am eating, dipping. Listen, just as a little plate too, even if you don't have a dipping situation going on, you use it as a little plate also. It is so comfortable. It's not a big 9-inch plate that you're holding and you're, you know, so in this case, it's just made for this. So pretty, such a great idea.
Yes, it is.
And something so nice to present to your family.
For sure.
And we have color choices like we always do. In the old world, we have black, blue. Here's the old world in confetti. Now we have floral lace, the blue and floral lace, black floral lace, and red floral lace. I love how it's contrasting inside and outside. The doodle doos, we have the red doodle, the black doodle, and we have gray doodle for you. And then we've got the fantastic patriotic right there. This was actually, yeah, new as of about a month ago as well.
Love
and
that.
we're already down a lot of colors and patterns. So K835595 is the item number.
You know what it's really good for, Rosina? Sushi.
Yes, it is
Sushi.
great for sushi.
Great for sushi.